I'm just going to come right out and say it. The Iridium 9555 satellite kit is hands down the best option for anyone who needs reliable communication in areas with little to no cell service. But let me explain why. I've had the chance to use this kit in some pretty remote locations, and I've been really impressed with its performance. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon, and I'd definitely recommend taking a look if you're in the market for a satellite phone. One of the biggest benefits of the Iridium 9555 is its ability to provide a stable connection even in areas with heavy tree cover or steep terrain. I've used it while hiking in the mountains, and it's been able to maintain a signal even when my regular cell phone couldn't get a bar. This is a huge plus for anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors, whether you're a hiker, a hunter, or just someone who likes to get off the beaten path. The kit also comes with a factory unlocked phone, which is great for international travelers who need to stay in touch with family or colleagues back home. Another benefit of the Iridium 9555 is its ease of use. The interface is really intuitive, and it's easy to make calls, send texts, and even use the internet. The phone itself is also really durable, with a rugged design that can withstand rough handling. I've dropped it a few times, and it still works like a charm. The retail packaging is also a nice touch, as it comes with everything you need to get started, including a charger, antenna, and user manual. In terms of practical use cases, I think the Iridium 9555 is perfect for emergency responders, search and rescue teams, or anyone who works in a remote area. It's also great for sailors or fishermen who need to stay in touch with the Coast Guard or other boats. The kit is a bit on the pricey side, but considering the level of service it provides, I think it's definitely worth the investment. On the plus side, the Iridium 9555 is extremely reliable, and the sound quality is really clear. One downside is that the phone can be a bit bulky, and the battery life could be better. However, overall I think the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Iridium 9555 satellite kit, and I think it's a great option for anyone who needs a reliable satellite phone. If you're interested in learning more, or want to check the latest price, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.